Right, we're recording.
Check it out, man. Loads of thermite. That's about a kilo, I reckon. Go right in on those bullets. Okay, right, go to position.
Go to the safe spot. Crazy man.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna run into that.
Oh, I'm standing in front of it, boys.
Trying to get my phone.
We should have thought about that, Dave, really.
What's that?
About the fridge going up in smoke. Fuck me, you feel the heat off that. You're not. Not to leave it, mate. Look at the smoke, man.
Got one.